Today is a very special video because Denia has bought the apartment that all of you keep writing me about.
Well, when I started following Annette and when I saw this one that I came to see, I think her enthusiasm kind of was catching.
See, this is really cute. Oh, this is so cute. So this would be the cucina. This is very, very cute. This is a very cute apartment. Oh, this is fabulous. Wow. So charming. You could do a seating area here. This is a very cool apartment. I love this. I love this property. This is really cute.
I loved how much she loved it, and it made me really look at it carefully, and I could picture myself in it. I was looking online for over a year. This was the first time I had that intake, you know, when you see something you really want. To be online every single day for over a year and have that happen once, I couldn't pass it up.
I booked a flight pretty fast and came and saw it, and it was exactly like it was in the video. I loved it, and I told Federico as soon as I stepped in, pretty much like, yeah, this is for me. Just waiting for the water damage to be fixed upstairs, and it's been fixed. We're here, we're ready to go.
I wanted to be in a historic city center, and I wanted something that wasn't just square white boxes. It was just not cookie cutter. You could feel the history in it.
Oh, I just love this apartment.
Thank you.
High five me.
I'm so excited. I love it so much.
So we've had like 1 million people ask about this apartment.
Yeah.
1 million. Like I have people almost every week ask me, like, is it
Really?
sold?
Still? Oh, wow.
So tell us a little bit about what you loved about the apartment, like what you're gonna do with the apartment. I have so many questions.
Oh my gosh. I love how historic it is, and the curved ceilings and the thick walls and the brick floors. I love the bare vaulted, the windows, all the historical characteristics that are just so different from the typical California home.
Tell us about the furniture, because I was obsessed with the kitchen furniture and I wanted whoever got this to like try to buy everything. I would do probably nothing to this kitchen. I would leave it as is. I would probably want to buy some of the furniture actually. You could buy it with this because I love this table. It's cute.
Well, the owner has included everything.
Even the liquor. I guess. Okay.
It's still here. He's including everything, which is fantastic, so that I can slowly transform it as I'm here.
I'm a flight attendant, so I won't be here that often. I'm gonna leave the furniture because it comes with the house, and I'll just have fun collecting antiques and trading things out as I find them.
I think it's great. I think that's the way to go.
It's good enough.
Absolutely.
It's
give it a good deep clean and go for it.
Yeah, a lot of it is super charming. And I like it a lot, but there are some things like I'm not super into leather couches, but it's great for right now.
So I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm gonna be, you know, all hands on deck with the kitchen and fixing the bathroom, but after that, I'm just gonna take my time. I'm not in a hurry.
Why don't you give us the tour of your new home?
Oh, thank
Congratulations.
you so much. I'm so excited to hear you say that. So this is the cucina. It comes with all of this furniture.
I've been living in that house in my mind since I saw it on video, and I've seen that video 1 million times. So it was really nice to talk to Annette and bounce ideas.
Because I have to have room for a kitchen here.
Correct.
But I don't know.
We're gonna talk about it.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
You're gonna have enough room.
So I love it. This will stay for sure. We'll figure
now
it out.
you've got me.
But I love it.
It's like being in Italy. When you're out, you're out. When you're in, you can't get out. That's you now, Dana.
But I just love it. I just picture sitting in a little old chair by the fireplace in the kitchen.
So what are you thinking about doing for your kitchen?
Thank you for asking. I'm so
Sure.
excited about the kitchen.
All right, the kitchen's great.
I'm going to kind of keep it limited because you have to go through this room to get to almost everything.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do an L shape. I'm going to get very minimal amounts of things.
Okay.
I'm going to get a white marble counter and just a couple of marble open shelves for the top. I don't want a bunch of cupboards.
Okay, wow, perfect.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, what do we think about these tiles?
You know, I don't mind neutral tiles.
Right answer. These tiles should stay. They're
I think
fabulous.
so. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Ding, ding, ding. Good answer. You know, all this beautiful furniture, I mean, I agree with you. There's a lot of furniture.
Yes.
I think that we can repurpose a lot of this.
Okay.
By we, I've all of a sudden become a designer here. All right, so we love the kitchen.
Yes,
it's awesome.
love the
Good
kitchen.
answer with the tile. Let's move on to the terrace. Let's see what you're going to do.
The terrace so
Please,
much.
take us to your terrace. I'm going to be sitting out there drinking Aperol Spritzes soon.
Absolutely. I
Next
hope
year,
so.
me and Denia.
I love the terrace. That's my dream spot. I can picture that completely being done.
So I want big terracotta pots with, you know, fruit trees and
Lemon.
exactly.
Lemon will do fine here.
And then I have to find a good carpenter because I want like a corner bench made.
Well,
for
we're
here.
going to get you fixed up, don't worry.
Okay, good. I love it already, but you know, I just keep picturing flowering things and.
Oh yeah, this should be just filled. And the other thing that does very well here are succulents.
Yes.
They do very, very well here.
love
And the other
succulents.
thing is, remember, you're not going to be here.
Yeah.
So you have to really think about what you're going to
I was
plant
thinking
here.
geraniums. Do they do well here?
They do well here.
Okay, good.
Yeah, just if there's enough water. That's the thing. Herbs
Okay.
you can't plant here other
Oh.
than maybe rosemary.
Okay.
Because you have to water it.
Yeah.
And if you're not here. Now you can put in, your son is an engineer. He can figure out a little irrigation system.
Yeah, drip
that you
system.
you could probably do it from your phone.
Oh, that would be a great idea. That's a great idea.
Listen,
Okay.
I've been around the block. This ain't my first rodeo here.
This is the perfect little terrazzo.
Oh
I
yeah,
love it
this is
so
great.
much.
And you'll have a table out. You'll eat out here all the
Yeah.
time. You get yourself a little barbecue out here. It's gonna be great.
Yes. I plan on it.
Tiny Weber grill.
Yes.
You put a little cucina there.
I know, I'm so excited. And that's why this room, it's supposed to be the second bedroom, I'm gonna make into a sitting room so I can have the door open and be indoor, outdoor.
I think that's a great idea.
Thank you.
I love that idea.
Yeah.
I love that idea.
I've been picturing myself in this
Little
house
library,
for 6 months.
reading house.
Exactly. I'm
Oh,
gonna put shelves in that little niche.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be
I
really
love it.
pretty.
Brava.
I'm excited.
Okay, carry on. Show us that room that you're going to
Okay,
make a sitting
great.
room. No, this is a very, very pretty apartment.
I think so.
I think you
love
did
it.
really good.
Thank you.
And it feels dry in here.
It
so-
does.
And it's not, it was very humid smelling. It doesn't have that.
No, it actually, when I first walked into the house, I was like, oh my God, it smells like home. It just smelled so good to me.
Good.
Maybe I'm weird. I don't know.
Well, we're all weird. There's some
I
great
liked it.
furniture in here.
There's really good.
We are going to rejig this
Yes.
and make it fabulous.
The bed's gonna go.
Right. Yeah, you're going to make this a sitting
Yes, I'm gonna make it so
room. It's going to
that
be so cute.
that cute little L-shaped couch that's in the dining room is gonna go in here.
So here's what I'm going to make you do.
Okay.
Put a glass door. We're going to make it bigger and put 2 glass doors there. Yeah.
That would be great.
Yeah.
I love this bedroom. Look how dry the floor is.
We have water damage in here. Dove questa acqua?
Siamo al terrazzo dove eravamo prima.
Wow, so above this is an apartment that we looked at that had a lot of water damage. The water just came all the way through. That's crazy. From the terrace above. This is an amazing room, but it has water damage. This is great.
Last time you were here, it was a puddle.
Well, it's also dry feeling in here.
Yes.
Okay.
It does feel
Very dry. It's
it
great.
does. And in your video, when you came into this room, I was like, oh, it was just like one of those rooms. I don't know why.
No,
but
it has.
I loved
It's
it.
very,
There's
very.
something about it.
It's Carina. It's cute.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to tell you about this.
Okay.
Okay. So if this were my house,
Yeah.
I would have the painter take everything off of this.
That's what we were just talking about.
Everything needs to come down because you need to check. This has been dripping for a long time.
Oh,
Not dangerously.
Okay.
But I would have everything removed.
okay.
I would look at what's going on there and then I would have it treated, which they'll do here. That's what I would do.
Right.
Just to be safe because you're sleeping in here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, and it, again, they're used to it. It's not like nothing to be afraid of.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's only because it was wet for a long time.
Yeah.
So all this needs to come off.
Right.
It needs to be painted white again because it's a tiny room and you don't want a stone room because it's like sleeping in a cave. So this is going to be your only sort of problem area. And by problem, I mean this is the only area you're going to have to really attack. The rest you can live in.
You know, I've never bought a house I didn't have to do something.
There you go.
So it's fine.
I'm attracted to older homes and antiques and things, so that it wasn't too daunting, and anything that can be made can be fixed, I feel like.
So they're so good here.
Yeah.
You're not going to believe this. They can take all of this down in one day, and the next day they can put it all back together again.
A lot of people online are enthusiastic about living in Italy and have a lot of good things to say, but there's also the other side where people are talking about how hard it is and how much they miss home. It's so different. But I don't think that things being different is necessarily a bad thing. I just think I'm gonna see it as a challenge and take all the advice I can, but I have also been maybe a little bit naive or dumb in trying not to learn too much about all the roadblocks that are coming up, because I wanted to stay enthusiastic about the move. I didn't want to lose my motivation. So I'm a little bit blind. I don't know all the details yet that I have to do. I know some, not all.
Okay, we're going to my favorite room.
It's the best.
This is the best room. Oh, wow. This is amazing. This is the dining room. This is a 10+ room. Go look at that room. It's amazing. So this is my favorite room. This is your favorite room too.
I love this room.
So we're gonna cook and we're gonna have a nice
Yes.
meal here. Good to go.
I know, it is.
It's great. It's a great house.
I saw this room in your video too. It was another room I was like, oh, that's just so neat.
I cannot believe that we're
best
meeting. Like I'm still like
Yeah.
reeling that you're here.
Yeah,
I'm
me
so
too.
excited.
Me
I really am.
The house was supposed to be ready at the very end of September, and unfortunately it wasn't all the way ready. But I had already made the plans, I'd already had my trips taken, and my son had taken time off, so we decided to come anyway and just make it more vacation, less shopping for a kitchen. When we came out of the house and Federico said Annette was there, that was like the biggest shock I've ever had in my life. And it's just serendipity. It was just wonderful.
I want to thank you for letting me walk through with you.
Oh, thank you.
And this makes me so happy because I'm all about saving like beautiful
Yes.
old homes, and I know that this house is going to somebody really fabulous.
I've always owned old homes. This is the oldest by far. This is
Yeah.
older than America.
Well, it's medieval. Yeah,
this
it's
is
a
oldest
medieval house. Yes.
Yes, I love it. And if it weren't for you, I never would have found it.
Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it.
Always.
And what do we say? I mean, dreams can come true.
do. I
On
know.
YouTube. Who knew?
Who knew? I had no idea watching one video. It
So if
changed
you
my life.
wondered if my channel is for real, it is
for
actually
real.
for real.
It's real.
And I really do have a passion for saving these old homes. I'm sorry, I can't stop looking at that chandelier.
Me too.
I wanted to thank both of you for taking the time. And you guys, thank you so much for watching this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you at the next property. Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.